Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn Notepad. First, how to open Notepad. There are many ways. First way, go to Start, scroll down in the mouse, click on Windows Accessories and click on Notepad. Close it. Second way, go to Search, type Notepad and enter. Otherwise, click on Notepad icon. Close it. Third way, go to Start. If you have icon on Start menu, click on Notepad. Fourth way, if you have icon on desktop, you can open it, but I don't have icon here. If you want to create icon, just hold Notepad icon and drag and keep it here. You will get it icon here. Double click on that icon, it will open. And fifth way, if you have icon on taskbar, but I don't have icon, I want to get icon there, mean go to Start, right click on icon, Notepad icon, go to More, click on Pin to Taskbar. It will come here. Just click on that, it will open. Otherwise, we have another way. Press Windows R. Run will come. You can type here Notepad and enter. Notepad will open. Now, so there is a Notepad window is there here. Just click on Maximize. I will explain you what is Notepad. Notepad is a rough sheet which used to create simple text document. Notepad is a rough sheet which is used to create simple text document. So here I will explain you first. This is actually called title bar and second one is menu bar. This is called page and this is scroll bar or vertical scroll bar and this is horizontal scroll bar. In title bar we have three buttons. When you click on minimize, the whole application will come and stored on taskbar. Again, if you want to get back, just click on that, it will come. And if you want to make a small, you can click on restore down. If you want to make full screen, you can click on the same button, it will act like a maximize. You can observe the name is coming there. And if you don't want Notepad, you can click on close. Got it? Okay, 1 second I open. And this is a menu bar. Now I am going to type something. Example. Rajesh is a good student. Here you can observe there is no name here in a untitled notepad is there. First of all, I want to save this file in the name of me. Okay, go to save as. I am going to save in the name of like golden student or it may be happy student. But you can observe here the file saved in txt format and we are saving in the document. So in the upcoming videos, I am going to teach you where you want to save and which is the best place to save. I will teach in the next class onwards. Now I am going to save in the name of happy student. You can observe here untitled notepad is there. When I am going to click save, now it's converted as a happy student. Okay. Now I don't want that. I want new mean. I can click on new. I can get the new. Again, I want to open the same one. Go to file, open, and select happy student and click open. It will open. Now we understood what is new, open, and save as. But we have another option, new window. What is the difference in new and new window mean? When I am going to click a new, the current file will have gone and it will replace new window. Again open, happy student, open. But one more option is there, new window. So when I am going to click new window, so another window will open, but the current window will appear in the name of happy students. So this is the difference between new and new window. Close it. And next is save. What is save mean? Okay, I am going to type something here. Okay, now when I am going to click a close, Okay, I forget to save and I'm going to click on close. But the computer will remind you, do you want to save changes to what you have saved? In C drive user Sri Rama Hanuman documents happy student txt. It will remember you. But I'm going to click on here, don't save, fortunately or unfortunately. Now again open Notepad, maximize, go to file, open, select happy student and click on open. Now see what we have typed here content, it doesn't save because we didn't save it. So I'm going to save. Now I have typed 2 sentences here extra. I want to keep this content here only. Go to file, click on save. Now we can click on close. It never asks anything because we have saved it. Again open Notepad, make it maximize, go to file, open and choose happy student and click on open, it will open. Now see the data should be here because we have saved. Now we have understood new window, open, save and save as. And paste it and print no need because I will teach in upcoming applications here. Okay, I will show. When I go to page setup, it will appear here. Here you have to choose A4 and margins 1 inches and you can change the angle here, orientation, but always keep portrait and click OK. But more than of this we can't do anything. That's why I told you I will teach you in upcoming applications. Now you can apply like this only and click OK. And print no need here. I will teach you later. And last one is exit. When I am going to click on exit, the application will be closed. Again, if you want to open Notepad, maximize and go to file, open. What is the name of your saved? Name of happy student and open it. So the file has opened. I hope you understand this class. Tomorrow we will going to learn edit and remaining menus. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you tomorrow.